G'day, Mike from Aussie Mike's Bees. A little quick update because it's been a while since I've talked to you. It's winter, it's the 25th of June, a few days past the winter solstice, and it's 11 degrees Celsius, and the girls are at it. Now, well, I'm in for a sunny day, and just over the last few days I've noticed the girls are getting out there and bringing in plenty of tucker. It's great to live in a place where the bees are active, even in the middle of winter. I wouldn't want to be in those North American and European places where they're in metres of snow, that's for sure. But here we go, I'm just going to show you the entrance of a few bees. Even though I'm in the shade and they don't get direct sun much, they're still hard at it. Here we go. Here's a couple of hives up the top, part of where I keep my bees in my home yard. You see the little one on the left, that was a rescue hive from that wall that I did the trap out for, and they're doing okay. They're not huge, but they're getting by. They must have enough tucker in there. I haven't had to feed them yet, so we'll see how they are later in the time. And the one on the right, there's a bit of activity. They've got a super there, so they've got honey to keep them going, but they just seem to keep on bringing it in anyway. I'll pop over the other side there. There's a hive through there. That's my mean hive. I'm not going to get too close to that because they are nasty, and I've got to sort something out with them come spring. I wasn't able to requeen them, or I tried to requeen them and they just killed the queen and made their own, so they're still mean. Now this is facing south. Now in the southern hemisphere ideally you'd have them facing north or northeast, but this is just the way that I put them to steer them away from where the people are, because they are mean. So up here out of the way they're not doing any harm. So they're setting about their business. Plenty of activity at the front there. So this is probably the coldest spot on the block, and they're still going at it. And I'll just pop down in front of this little group of hives sitting on the concrete water tank there, and you can see plenty of activity out of the front of all of those as well. Just do a little scan, starting from the long lang. They like that left entrance, because that's the guardian entrance, but the bottom part fell off, so I think they just like that because it's easier. And these are consistently getting low small hive beetle counts. And just going off to the left there, these two colonies I pulled in, what was it, about 160 kilograms of honey. I had supers stacked 4 high on these, so I did pretty good out of them. And further up there to the 3 at the left, all entrances are going great. And then off to the end, I can't get around the front end of that one. That's another mean colony I've got to sort out come spring. I know, I should have packed them down. I just ran out of time and then it got too cold to pull those supers off. So there's 3 supers on that end, one and the 1 second in from the end, so there's a load of honey there. I've got to pull off sometime. If I get a warm enough day I'll get in and take those down, but otherwise they'll have it till spring. Doesn't seem to have affected them. There's still plenty of bees there. I've been slack, I've been short on time, I've spent my time going to bee conferences instead of doing beekeeping, but them's the breaks. That's just my short little update, and I'll be sure to be putting out some more videos soon. I've been to 3 different state conferences in New South Wales, Victoria and Western Australia. Sorry I didn't shoot any video, but next month in July I'm heading up to the Queensland one, the QBA one, and that's in Townsville. So I will make a video on that and post that up as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Aussie Mike's Bees, where beekeeping is an obsession.